Hi everybody, welcome back or to my channel. My name is April for those of you guys that are new to my channel, and if you guys are just a returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. So in today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I will be doing an unboxing of Juvia's Place newest Culture collection. I will be doing swatches of their newest eyeshadow palette, as well as swatches of their new Duochrome liquid eyeshadows, as well as creating a look using these products. I will be placing timestamps down in my description box below, so if you guys want to jump to a certain part of the video. But with that being said, let's just get right into this video. So in the recent launch of Juvia's Place for the Culture collection, they recently launched one eyeshadow palette, as well as 4 Duochrome liquid eyeshadows. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is what the first column looks like. This is what the second column looks like. This is what the third column looks like. This color right here is actually a pressed glitter. This is the fourth column. This is the fifth column. This is the sixth and final column. These are the 4 different shades that they came out with in the Culture collection of the different Duochrome liquid eyeshadows. The first shade that I will be swatching is Kente. The next shade is Afrochella. The next shade is Ankara. The next shade is Fula. These are what all 4 of the Duochrome liquid eyeshadows look like swatched. So now that I have swatched all of the eyeshadows as well as the Duochrome liquid eyeshadows, I am going to go ahead and create a look using these products. So if you guys want to see what look I come up with, just keep on watching.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger, yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me.
If you guys have not already picked up these products from Juvia's Place, I highly recommend that you do. They are very affordable and they swatch so beautifully. They are very pigmented and you can never go wrong with Juvia's Place. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. And I will also link my Instagram down below in my description box, where I do post a lot more beauty content, so don't forget to follow me on there. Until next time.